What is up, YouTube? We have been away for some time and decided to do an unboxing about this thing. So this is a company called Divoom. If you don't know what Divoom is, they make these weird LED speakers, backpack. We bought a bunch of little Divoom stock. One of the things here that I thought that it will be ideal for me to use will be the sling bag. So right now I do have myself a little sling bag that I use, and the sling bag that I use currently is this thing here. So you might recognize this thing. It's from Assassin's Creed. So it's an Assassin's Creed sling bag, and it's the one that Desmond has. So this is the one that I normally just wear with me. And I've been traveling on an e-scooter for some time now, and the sling bags do come pretty neat and they're pretty effective. So nice to have a little small bag rather than basically keeping things in your pocket. Sling bags is perfect, but decided to buy this little thing here because it's got an LED thing. So you can actually, the whole point of this thing is so you can actually customize the front, have some sort of LED sort of thing. This is how it comes to the box. Welcome to the Pixoo world. So pixelated art on the back. That's the information you get. You can scan this application right there to download the app if you want to download the app. But yeah, anyway, let's get into the unboxing and see what exactly is inside. So okay, so the bag came, it was a zip bag, so you can reseal it, you can put it back in the bag to protect it. I feel that the front of this thing is going to get sort of like marked. So the front of this thing is like a leather-like sort of, not leather-like, sort of like a rubbery type sort of feel to it. It's got clips at the bottom, it's got the strap at the side, and then you've got the strap back here which you can adjust. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on and see exactly how the LEDs work. I've gone ahead and I've checked out the bag. So inside this little thing here, inside here is a zip pocket, and here is the USB, I'm assuming to power the thing up. At the rear of the bag here, you've got yourself a little compartment here as well. It's a zip compartment. You've got a little holder up on here as well. And the bottom of the bag, I'm assuming that this sort of ties in with, or that can strap underneath another bag or something. But anyway, I'm going to plug it in and see exactly how this thing works. And hopefully we can get some sort of cool sort of, I don't know, something cool happens. Okay, so I've now got it plugged in into a power outlet. So inside one of the compartments is a USB, which you plug in. So it's got a Michael Jackson thing there, so it's just playing some random stuff. And hopefully we can check out the app and see exactly how you can program it. But yeah, the display is just on the front, these little pixels here, which will just move and do stuff by themselves. But it's kind of cool having this sort of weird little, I love pixel art, and this is pretty damn sick. So when I saw the speaker, the Divoom speaker in action, I had to say to myself, look, that's pretty damn cool. A stupid thing, but it's so cool. But yeah, anyway, check out the rest of the bag as well. Okay, so I've got the app downloaded. The app is pretty simple. You just go ahead, register, and you can make up you put your email address, put a password, and job done. Now we're gonna scroll through, and you've got loads of different animations people have actually made up. So you can go through one of the animations. So you've got dance, all this sort of weird stuff as well. Pick an animation, and if you want to design it yourself, you can also go expert, design it. There's recommendations. So if I go to click recommendations, you've got recommended. Here's some random sort of stuff. But yeah, it's pretty cool that you can just click on that, click on one of these sort of animations, and send it to your bag and have it playing. So I'm going to click on animation here, and I'm going to send it to the bag and see what it does. I like this thing here. This is kind of cool. Okay, so I've decided to just go search Dragon Ball. Awesome list of cool animations came up. So I looked at this one, looked awesome. I'm going to click on this. Okay, so I've got my bag here. I'm going to go ahead and add on your Me section of the app. Click on Me, and go ahead and add the device. And there's search it. Put the bag right there, so cancel search. Click connecting, and it's now connected to the bag. And now we've got it playing on the bag. That's awesome. Look at that. Look at that thing. That is so cool. So yeah, it's the animation here. It's now on the bag. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You just click apply, so you can go on a different animation. Let's go on this one here, and then hit apply. Hit apply. Ooh, we've got it there. So it's connected to the bag, and then we just click apply, and that's how it looks. I'm not sure if it works. Doesn't look great. So you can click on a different one here. I think we just a basic Dragon Ball there. Oh, and yeah. So you can just click on anything, and it's connected. So you just, I suppose you can just click on it like this thing. Ooh, That doesn't look that great. I'm just trying to show you. But yeah, we're gonna go through the animations, and that's simply how you connect, and then that's basically it. It's connected to your phone via Bluetooth. You can use Wi-Fi as well, but just pay via Bluetooth automatically. And that is the bag. Hey guys, we're back. So I've had this bag for a few hours now. So just so you're aware, you will need a power bank because it does not supply with its own little power source. So instead, what I've done is plugged in my Anchor. So this is an Anchor power bank. It's got a wireless charger on top as well, so just in case I don't charge my phone. And also it's got 10,000 milliamp hour. So it's the Power Core 10K wireless. So that way, at least I've got something that's not too big. Charges USB-C, so again I can have a USB-C cable in here at the same time as well. Charge it wirelessly just in case if I haven't got my USB-C with me. So I've got a backup to charge my phone, and it should be a sufficient power for the bag, because I looked online as well. For about 4 or 5 hours, if you're out and about, to have this continuously running, you will need yourself like a 2,600, 3,000 milliamp hour battery. But this far exceeds what is required, and it should be good to go. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, this has been Ace as always. Peace out.